Today we're announcing the winner of the Butt Kicker amp and wireless system. Better look out, because we're going retro to relevant. The Classic Collection is about to be your new forever set of speakers. Excellent audio quality is embedded into this old school look. With technology like built-in custom crossovers for every model, you are guaranteed great sound will come with top-notch design and longevity. Look into the Classic Collection from Dayton Audio. You know Parts Express loves the do-it-yourselfer. That's why we carry what you need to make custom speaker projects. Even if you're starting from complete scratch or a basic kit, get the wire, the knobs, the crossover components, and of course, the speakers. And create what you want to hear. Once you're done, submit them to our project gallery, and if it's posted, you'll pick up a $25 Parts Express gift card. Let's see what you got. The Boost and Boost Mini speakers will provide your phone or other Bluetooth device with superior audio performance and enhanced power. Dayton Audio knows quality sound, and both devices are well equipped for all sorts of adventures, including ones with rain or water. Give your audio a boost with either one or both of these excellent speakers. This Butt Kicker amp can make a huge difference when it comes to movies, gaming, or anything else you use it for. And this awesome prize package is going to Phil M. from Burns Mill, Missouri. Congratulations, Phil. We'll be in touch soon. This month, we're partnering with PRV to give away a car audio bundle worth over $500. You're gonna wanna win this, so head over to the site and enter today. Good luck to all who enter. We'll see you next month.